So let's just say you're driving down the road and you go to hit your turn signal, and then all of a sudden it does this. You want to fix that so you don't get a ticket. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so in my particular case, it's the back tail light that we need to fix, so let's do that. So you just grab from like up here, and you yank. So these clips were really hard to get out, so I only got the top one out, and then I actually left the bottom one in, and then you just grab the tail light and shake it. Grab, turn to the left, pops right out. Then you just use something to grab the bulb just in case. Then you just wiggle it on out. Then you take one of these. And before you put it all back together, just make sure it works. It's working great. Golden. So that is how you fix a 2007 to 2012 Dodge Caliber rear taillight bulb, or any of the other bulbs like on the left hand side. I'm sure it's the same type of deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. I hope it was a good enough example. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you enjoy car or car content, please make sure to check out some of the other videos on my channel that I'm sure I'll be putting on the end screen. I think I hear a train coming and it's about to get real loud. I'm not working on my car at my house right now. I'm literally in a car wash underneath the cover thing just because I didn't want to get rained on. That's what you got to do up here in Oregon. So, have a great night. Goodbye. Enjoy.